Welcome to Super Fun Kids! Welcome to Super Fun Kids! Welcome to Super Fun Kids! Hey everybody, welcome back to Super Fun Kids, and today we're going to be opening up the ultimate scrapbook that I got for my birthday. My birthday was on Saturday, guys. And it's Monday right now. Okay. Whoa! So, we got some glitter. Cool. Sparkly glitter.
Those are sequins, right?
Yeah, sequins, or say glitter too. So sequins has like glittery shinies. And then here we have, it looks like, they hurt me. Oh, there's a cool pen right there too. I can show you that in a sec, guys. This is a super cool scissors. These have like designs. If you guys can kind of see that there's like little designs in the scissor cut area. And here is the cool glue stick with that it says glue stick with some designs. I'll show you in a minute. And it says dries clear and whatever. There's a cute glue stick and this cool pen right here. It looks like it might be purple color. We'll try that out. It looks like I got a paper here so I can write on this paper. Whoa! I just took out the pen! Yeah, I just took out the pen.
I'll have to fix that for you.
Okay.
Oh, you got it? Cool.
Got it. Oh, it's purple!
Nice.
Okay. What is this? Oh, it's a scrapbook thing. Tells you how to scrapbook, I guess. I finished an old scrapbook and I got a different one. Here's some cute stickers. Oh, whoop.
Oh, cool. They're like 3D stickers, too.
I know.
Wow.
There's a lot of 3D stickers in scrapbooking. And next, on top is the big, cool scrapbook. And it says, dream big. And guys, if you want, I can read all this. Squad girls, good vibes, stay colorful. Sorry, not sorry. Girls can do anything. Shine. 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 You're a gem. Fun. Love. Selfies. Nope. Dreamer. Be brave. Wander. Girls rule. Awesome. Wild and free. Whatever. Flawless?
Flawless.
Flawless. OMG. Smile, laugh, and be happy. Magic is something you make.
Oh, cool.
Okay, now let's open it up. Ooh, this is nice clean pages.
All that.
I know.
You need some pictures.
Pages.
Yeah.
And now let's open this. Ooh. Oh, these are backgrounds. Yay, parties. So I can put like party pictures in this. And then let's open this up and see all the cool backgrounds that we can put. Woo! I'll pick that up later. It says, "Yay, party, celebrate, woohoo, hooray!" On this page. Ooh, and this one says, "Follow that dream." This one says, "Girl power." This one doesn't say anything.
It's pretty though.
I know. It kind of looks like slime. And I love my squad. Besties.
Cool.
Okay, let's get this all.
Wow, is that all stickers?
Whoa, guys. Look at that, everyone. Those are stickers. I'm going to be having a lot of fun with this. Look at this. Whoa.
Tape stuck on it. Oh no! There you go. I got it out.
Alright. Okay. Now we got these. These are both packets of stickers. There's like so much stickers. And okay, so here there's all the letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And here there's like puzzles and cool things you can put on for decoration.
Wow.
And this says, fries before guys. Life is short, eat more cake. Donut worry, guys. Do you get that?
I get it.
And today's April Fool's Day, so don't worry. Hey, Mama, don't worry.
Oh, that's so cute.
Get it? It actually says it on this. Oh, guys, I just noticed something. This is made into one cake, but there's stickers that you can take off from the cake. Isn't
like
that
that.
cool?
I like it. Well, you got a lot of scrapbooking to do.
I know. So
I'll have to print you out a bunch of pictures and then we can make a video of you scrapbooking.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you next time on
See you next
scrapbooking.
time when we scrapbook.